What's up, guys? Chris here, DELMOS Karts. Today we're gonna actually finish this baby right here.
Day 2.
Gonna weld the bottom. This is part 2 video. Last video, if you remember, we cut these 2 bars off here. We move a little slow at DELMOS Karts, but quality over quantity, okay? That's what we work on. So let's get it going. Alright guys, here's the move.
We're gonna hold this up because we don't have a table.
We're gonna do some ghetto welding today. That's what we call it at DELMOS Karts. I don't want to mess up my Crocs, so I'm wearing my makeshift toga.
Protective blanket
to protect my Crocs and my legs. Most importantly, my Crocs, though. So I'm gonna be holding it up with my Hulk muscles while Mikey welds. Hopefully, I don't get hurt.
You all good. All right, guys. So we just finished the welds, and not the cleanest. I mean, it's like my first or second time doing this on like an actual cart. So I tried my best, but you know, we're gonna see if it works out. All right, guys. So we finished the welds, put it on this table, and so now we're gonna put these bolts through the panels, and then through the metal beams on the bottom.
Just to add a little bit more structure, because we may or may not trust our welder. I'm not saying anything. I'm just being totally honest, you know. So
good. Great.
Now we're gonna add some physical mechanical parts, nuts and bolts.
All right, guys, so here we go. We put the nuts on. We're gonna put the bolts and nuts on, and we ended up going right through our plastic table.
Just absolutely demolished it.
All 4 times.
Absolutely demolished.
So we're gonna put this together, and then we're gonna do a time lapse of us putting the whole go-kart back together.